Hi, I'm a option trader at Yahoo. And today is August 5, 2025, 1:44 p.m. Japan time. The Nikkei in Nikkei is currently at 40554 yen with little movement. When I released yesterday's update, it was at 40463 yen. So the range has been only about 100 to 200 yen, a rather narrow move. My feeling is that SQ might settle around this level. The previous SQ was around 4004 yen, so this would be about 1.5% rise. It's only Tuesday, so it's too early to say for sure, but for now, it's a calm SQ week like market. Looking back at yesterday's US market, the S&P closed at 6330 points, up 1.47% from the previous day, essentially recovering the drop from August 1. The VIX slipped slightly to 17.52, but is still above the July 31 level of 16.72. The US 30-year Treasury yield has fallen to 4.79%, which means that as government pulls back dollars, it gains more physical leeway. Unfavorable backdrop from the for the bond market. This may be the materialization of the shift from equities to bonds in the US that I mentioned earlier. Meanwhile, Japan's 30-year bond yield fell slightly to 3.08%, so it remains high. Gold is hovering around 3318, swing between 2% rise and 1% drops without major change. Gold VIX is around 17 and trends slightly upward. Bitcoin is trading near 115,000 dollar. Overall, there have been no major moves in the US market. Yesterday's 1.7% rise in the US stocks could be either a simple rebound from prior losses or the start of the real recovery. It's too soon to tell. There's a chance the VIX could jump from 17.5 back to 20, so cautious is warranted. While there's a possibility that nothing significant happen in August, there are also few concerning signals in the US. One thing I'm particularly watching is the Nikkei EPS. As of yesterday, it was about 2455 yen, but the speed of this decline is worrying. Historically, when EPS is the weak, we will rarely see range breakout or push to new high. I do consider the possibility of upward movement, but this weakness is something I cannot ignore. And the so-called tariff agreement between the US and Japan remains incomplete with no presidential signature and leaving it in a half-baked state. Around this time last year, the Nikkei sprang about 20% in 2 days due to Bank of Japan's rate hike shock. But this year, we have yet to see a US-led drop. The Trump tariff shock had global impact, but the US only decline has relatively limited. Right now, the US market is showing signal where a sharp drop would not be surprising. So the possibility of nothing happening is equally real. Today's market action will be important. If nothing happens today, August may pass relatively quietly. That's all for today, market review. Please follow my contents with a long put mindset. See you tomorrow.